Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider. Today, I'm gonna do it again. More pizza. I don't know what kind I'm gonna make. I have to go to the store. But I'm gonna do 2 more. This is simple experimentation. The last 2 I did came out absolutely wonderful. With that, we begin now. So it is done. This is the Buldak 2X pizza. Here's the instant noodle that I used. I used noodle, I used topping, and I used the sauce from this. So basically, as you saw, it was pretty fast, so I'll just give you the whole spiel. I made the sauce out of Ragu pizza sauce, a whole sachet of the Buldak 2X. I added the noodles from the Buldak, topped it with the sachet of sesame seed and seaweed. We've also got chicken, bell pepper, and spring onion, and I think that's it. So let's give this a try. As you can see, there's noodle here, there's sauce, there's a lot of stuff going on. Let's give this a try. I had a little taste of the sauce and it seemed like it was gonna be pretty hot, so here we go. It retains a lot of the heat. It's definitely a little bit less than, it's still pretty hot. Yeah, if you like the heat, oh yeah, there's white onion on here too. But yeah, if you like the heat of Buldak, this will float your boat and then some. Pizza number 2, made with Mama Green Curry. This has one of the large sachets from a pack of this, and then 2 of the smaller paste sachets from packs of this. I added a little bit of the noodles. I cooked them and drained them and added some in. There's also tomato, tons of basil, chicken. The green curry and large powder sachet is mixed with about a cup of Alfredo sauce. This one got cooked a little bit less than the Buldak version because it just seemed like it was starting to get a little too done. So this one got maybe more like 18 minutes at 425 degrees. The Buldak one got more like 20. There we are. Nice deep dish. The crust did very well. I'm really happy with how the crust did on both of these. It didn't rise up so much that it was just like crazy. Let's give it a try. Nice green curry. Lots of that basil in there, definitely. Very savory. I've always thought that Mama Green Curry goes better not with chicken, but with shrimp. And I'm kind of bummed that I didn't use shrimp with this. It would have been a little bit better, but it's really good. This is awesome stuff. Oh, and that tomato works quite nicely. All right, that's it for me today. It's the hottest day of the year so far for 2022 here in the Seattle area. It got up to 94 degrees today, and I was in between a 425 degree oven and a dishwasher for a good part of the day, and it's still pretty hot in here. I had to turn off the AC to do this part so you could actually hear me, but yeah, this is fun. I love doing this kind of experimentation. Some people think it's weird. I don't care. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and make some noodle pizza. This has been, yeah, fun. All right, cool. Bye. Later.